Today I'm going to show you how to build a merch store for your music in just under 5 minutes. No coding, no stress. Just an easy to manage online store that lets you start selling merch immediately. Let's go. So our first step here is going to be to click on the link in the description, the video down below. That's going to get your 30-day free trial set up. It's going to apply 15% automatically to the first year. That's after the 30-day free trial is up. So make sure you use that link to get the discount. So now that we're all signed up, it's going to start asking you a couple of setup questions. This is just going to help Bandzoogle set up your merch store customized to you. So things like entering an email, username, super simple, quick stuff. Okay, so now comes the fun part. We're going to choose a template. Bandzoogle has over 100 professionally designed templates, updating them constantly all the time. So you're always going to find something cool here that matches whatever look you're going for. Pick one that matches your style. You can customize this as much as you want later, so don't stress about what you do here. Nothing's going to be set in stone. So now's where you can get creative. So you want to start customizing by adding a band's logo. If you don't have a logo, you can use the site title option here instead. If you're looking for some tips on how to really properly brand your merch store, you can check out the timestamp video links that I'm going to put in the description down below for you there. Once that's done, you're going to be asked if you want to create a one-page website that just scrolls up and down with all the content there, or a multiple-page website. Don't stress about this decision if you're not sure. You can always add more pages later on. So for today, we're going to start with a one-page website for this merch store. So now we find ourselves in the main editor here. We're ready to start building out our merch store. We're already going to have a suggested layout here on our page. So it's going to make it a lot quicker and easier for us. These empty blocks here, they're what we call features. A feature is something that you can add to any page of your website. So I'm going to click on store. I'm going to click on add product. So in the store feature, you can add anything from t-shirts to hats to vinyl, posters, even digital downloads if you want. So we're going to start with a t-shirt. Let's add a product name, description. You can upload a photo. Set the price. And don't forget to add inventory and shipping details, and then boom, you got merch ready to go. You can keep adding more items here depending on how much you have to sell. Rearrange them however you'd like. Select different display options. So to set your merch store live and unlock all the features like the secure checkout, your own custom domain name, you're going to need to upgrade to a paid plan. So every Bandzoogle plan includes commission-free sales, so we don't take any cut and you keep more of your money. Now click on View Site to view your live store. Copy your merch store URL here out of your browser's address bar so you can share it, and your fans can start buying your merch. So now that we've created our merch store, we want to get the word out and start promoting these products so people know that they're there and for sale. So next to your merch item, click Share, and then copy the link here. And that way you can share on socials, emails, or even put it into your Smart Links feature so it's in that link in bio. Running promos is always super effective. So you can set up discount codes for fans here directly through Bandzoogle too. So whether it's 10% off for a newsletter promo that you're going to be running or a social media campaign that you're going to be running, letting people know, hey, get a limited time discount on my merch store. Come check it out right now. It's good for this week. It's just going to incentivize people to come and want to support you and drop some money in your merch store. We got a great product bundling option here that you can make use of too to boost sales and generate interest in different products and give your fans a sweet deal. And that's it. We've built a pro merch store in under 5 minutes that's completely live. If you found this helpful, give us a like, subscribe for more tips and tricks to help you along in your independent music journey, and let us know in the comments down below. If you created a merch store, post a link to it so we can check it out. Be happy to give you some feedback on it in the comments. Take care, everyone. Thanks for watching.